Imagine waking up one morning to news headlines that sound like a glitch in reality. Earth's magnetic poles have reversed instantly. Not slowly, not over thousands of years like scientists expect, but in a single catastrophic moment. 1 second, the compass points north. The next, it flips south. And with that flip, the invisible magnetic shield protecting Earth from cosmic radiation collapses into chaos. The first minutes are pure confusion. Compasses spin uncontrollably. GPS satellites fail simultaneously. Airplanes lose navigation, forcing emergency landings worldwide. Ships drift off course. Every system that depends on magnetism, from drilling equipment to medical devices, flickers with errors. The world doesn't freeze, doesn't explode, but it becomes disoriented on a planetary scale. Then the real danger begins. Earth's magnetic field is like a giant force field that shields the planet from solar wind and cosmic particles. When the poles flip instantly, this shield weakens to almost zero for several hours. Within minutes, the atmosphere is bombarded with high-energy particles. Auroras appear across the entire globe, glowing curtains of green and purple even over deserts and oceans. They're beautiful and terrifying. Satellites are the first victims. Solar radiation fries their circuits, disabling communication networks, internet infrastructure, weather monitoring, military systems. The world suddenly becomes disconnected, not completely offline, but blind and uncoordinated. Stock markets freeze. Online banking collapses. Every modern country is forced back into a semi-analog state. On the ground, the effects spread quickly. Electrical grids suffer surges as geomagnetic currents overload transformers. Entire regions fall into blackouts. Radio communication becomes unreliable. Air traffic is grounded not just for safety, but because the upper atmosphere becomes dangerous to fly through. Radiation levels spike to heights normally seen near nuclear reactors. Humans on the surface aren't instantly harmed. The atmosphere still blocks most dangerous radiation, but exposure increases dramatically. Skin burns appear faster. Cancer risks rise. Hospitals struggle as their equipment glitches. Pacemakers malfunction. Anything dependent on stable electromagnetic fields experiences sudden unpredictability. But nature suffers the strangest consequences. Birds migrate in the wrong direction. Whales beach themselves again and again. Insects scatter chaotically. Bees lose their ability to navigate threatening crops. Animals who rely on Earth's magnetic field suddenly have no internal map. Within hours, climate patterns shift slightly as charged particles heat the upper layers of the atmosphere unevenly. Storms strengthen. Air pressure systems wobble. It's not apocalyptic, but it's chaotic. A planet temporarily confused about its own rules. By the 12th hour, scientists warn that the magnetic field is stabilizing, but differently. North becomes south. South becomes north. Compasses work again, though in reverse. But the world they point to has changed. Satellites must be rebuilt. Navigation systems recalibrated. Entire industries redesigned. By the 24th hour, humanity enters a new magnetic era. Airlines adopt new flight routes. Power grids install advanced shielding. Hospitals upgrade every sensitive device. Governments rewrite emergency protocols. Humans adapt, as they always do. But historians will forever mark the day when Earth's invisible heartbeat flipped instantly, tearing open the sky and reminding humanity that even the most constant forces of our planet can shift without warning. And one question remains. If the poles can reverse in an instant, what else can the Earth suddenly change?